7-to-my Dash Cam Lite. Everything you would expect from a dash cam. Super clear night vision. Make sharp and colorful recordings even in low light. Starvis CMOS. SONY IMX307 sensor with the effective photosensitive area is superb for night vision. When in the dark, it will automatically adjust and optimize. Light before recording, 1080p Full HD. Full HD 1080p dashcam and advanced video encoding storage mpres. Sion improve the picture quality dramatically. 130-degree field of vision which covers 4 lanes of traffic give you a better vision. 24-hour parking surveillance. Dashcam will automatically start recording when there is a collision being detected by the built-in G sensor. It will remind you to check the event. Video when you go back to the car. Built-in 500 mAh battery protects you from vehicle battery drain. On recording when you drive, on guard when you're away. Emergency recording when you are away. With high sensitivity sensor, your 7-to-my dashcam will be available for to record at park mode. Always keep an eye on your lovely vehicle. App control. 7-to-my app supports both iOS and Android systems, allowing you to view and download HD video through Wi-Fi in real time. Also, lock emergency video to event file to prevent an overwrite. WDR. WDR technology can adjust exposure balance, enabling the camera to capture greater detail and to process more light on the sensor and produce a more vibrant image. Hidden design. Designed to fit all car interior and perfectly sealed behind rearview mirror. Loop recoding. Auto-overwriting the older footage with the latest. Wants to save space for your micro memory card.